In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a token on Pumpfun. To get started, the first thing you need is a Solana compatible wallet. A common option is Phantom, but any supported wallet should work as long as it can connect to the platform properly. Before you begin, make sure that wallet has a small amount of SOL in it, usually somewhere around 0.05 to zero point 0.5 SOL. This is important because you may need it to cover the cost of creating the token and handling transaction fees on the Solana network. Once your wallet is ready, head over to Pump.fun in your browser. When the site loads, connect your wallet to the platform. This is the step that allows Pump.fun to interact with your wallet so you can launch the token directly from the site. As always, double check that you're on the correct website before approving any wallet connection, since wallet security is always important when working with crypto platforms. After your wallet is connected, you can move on to entering your token details. You'll be asked to provide your token's name, ticker symbol, description, and image. This is the core information that defines how your token will appear to others on the platform. For the token name, choose something clear and recognizable. For the ticker symbol, keep it short and easy to remember, since this is usually what people will see in listings and trades. In the description, briefly explain what the token is about or what theme it represents. Keep it simple and readable so people can quickly understand it. Then upload an image that fits your token branding. A clean, visible image can make your token look more polished and easier to identify. One helpful thing about Pump.fun is that it simplifies the technical side of the process. You do not need to manually build the smart contract yourself, and you also do not need to set up the liquidity pool on your own. The platform handles both automatically. In simple terms, the liquidity pool is what allows people to buy and sell the token right away through the smart contract. So the full process is straightforward. Prepare a Solana wallet with some SOL, go to pump.fun, connect the wallet, and fill in your token's name, ticker, description, and image. Once that information is entered, the platform takes care of the back-end setup for you. That's how to create a token on Pumpfun. If you follow these steps carefully and make sure your token details are accurate before submitting, the process should be quick and easy.